Hello my Ghanaian food family, welcome back to our channel. Jollof and fried chicken is one of the most enjoyed meals in Ghana. In this video, I'll be showing you how I prepare it. Okay, let's start. For the ingredients, we need 10 tomatoes, 3 tablespoons tomato paste, 4 cloves of garlic, 2 clove-sized pieces of ginger, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 bay leaf, 1/4 teaspoon of rosemary, 1/4 cup of cooking oil, 5 Scotch bonnet pepper, 2 large onions, 3 cups of rice washed and drained, and some rock salt. Make sure all the vegetables are washed before proceeding. We start by cutting our tomatoes into chunks. This makes it easier for blending. Then add all the Scotch bonnet pepper. Now chop the garlic and ginger as well. If your blender can handle it, you can put them in whole. Add the rosemary and about 1/4 cup of water. Blend until completely smooth. Next, we slice the onions. I prefer my slices short, so I cut the onions across into 3 before slicing. Heat the oil in a pot for about a minute. Add the sliced onions and fry till it starts to turn brown. Keep stirring to ensure they fry evenly. Now, add the curry and bay leaf. Continue to stir and fry it for about 2 to 3 more minutes. Then add the tomato paste. Fry it for about 5 minutes to take out the bite that comes with tomato paste. Next, we add our blended tomato mixture. And then about 1 tablespoon of rock salt. Stir and cover to simmer. The goal here is to thicken the sauce. Stir intermittently to avoid it burning. When the sauce has thickened, we now add our rice. Stir and fry it for a little bit. Add 3 cups of water and stir to loosen the clumps of rice. At this point, we taste for salt and add more if necessary. Don't overdo it, because you can always add more but can't take it out if it's too much. Cover and bring to a boil. Stir intermittently until the water is all absorbed. Stir and reduce the heat. Now fluff out the rice so it continues to cook evenly. Cover and leave to cook on low heat. When the rice is soft enough to mash between your thumb and finger, then it's cooked. Part 2 of this video covers the accompanying fried chicken. Please click the link provided to watch. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like, comment and share to support us. Thank you.